Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. All the immense lands of the 10 directions enter into this system of worlds. Though we see all in the 10 directions enter, really there is no coming and no entry. One world system enters all, and all completely enter one. Their substances and characteristics remain as before, no different. Incomparable, immeasurable, they all pervade everywhere. In the atoms of all lands are seen Buddhas existing there. The voices of their oceans of vows are like thunder, subduing all sentient beings. The Buddha's body pervades all lands, which are also filled by countless enlightening beings. The Buddha's freedom has no equal, edifying all conscious creatures. Then Universally Good said, "These seas of fragrant waters, numerous as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields, are in the flower bank array ocean of worlds, spread out like the net of Indra, king of the gods. The sea of fragrant water in the very center is called boundless light of beautiful flowers. Its floor is made of diamond banners reflecting the forms of all enlightening beings. It produces huge lotuses called diamond adornments of all sense. There is a system of worlds resting on it called blazing light illumining the 10 directions. Composed of all ornaments, it contains as many worlds as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields, arrayed therein. In the nadir is a world called Supreme Light shining everywhere, adorned by all kinds of diamonds, bounded by a circle of light, resting on flowers of many jewels, shaped like a crystal, covered with clouds of arrays of flowers of all gems, surrounded by worlds as numerous as atoms in a Buddha field, with various structures and various adornments. The Buddha of this world is called undefiled lamp of the eye of purity. Above this, past worlds as numerous as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called beautiful array of lotus flowers of various scents, bounded by all kinds of ornaments, resting on a network of jewel lotus blossoms, shaped like a lion throne, covered with nets of pearls of the colors of all jewels, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 2 Buddha fields. The Buddha is called Supreme Radiance of Lion Light.